We're going to be making a shrug for our little doll here. If you follow my pattern, you'll have 2 rectangular pieces before you crochet them together. The first rectangular piece you're going to fasten off, and with the second piece you're going to leave it unfastened because we're going to continue crocheting from here. So we're basically going to crochet around this the 2 pieces. First, you're going to start with a chain, and we're going to go along this short edge right here. Just insert 1 single crochet into each stitch around, and it doesn't have to be exact. This part is quite forgiving, but the goal is to create a nice smooth edge for the shawl. After you have crocheted along that short edge, we're now going to continue crocheting along the short edge of the first triangle, or did I say triangle? Rectangle that you made. So I'm going to attach my hook here to the next corner, and we're just going to make a single crochet, and then that joins the 2 rectangles. And now I'm going to single crochet across. As you can see, we've got this edging going all the way around now. When you get to this corner part, what you can do is after a single crochet, make a chain and single crochet in the same stitch. That makes a nice corner, sharper corner. Then we're going to single crochet along the long edge here. And once again, as I get to this corner, I can make it a sharper point by doing that single crochet, chain, and single crochet. Then I'm going to crochet along this short edge. Alright, now I've crocheted to this corner. You've got the corners of the 2 rectangles attached, and we have this nice little V in front. This is where the neck will go for the doll. We're now going to crochet a little button loop. For the button loop, you're going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you're going to slip stitch into the same stitch that you made the chain from. So when you do that, you'll create this little loop, as you can see. And then we're going to single crochet along the edge here. And I'm going to go around this V shape. So going down this long edge of the rectangle, and then we're going to go ahead and go into the other side of the rectangle. So as you see, we've crochet down this way. Now we're going to crochet along the other edge. And since I've got this long, this yarn tail that I fastened off the first rectangle with, I'm going to cut it a little shorter, just so I don't get confused here. And I'm going to actually work this, my stitches over this yarn tail. So as I crochet along, I'm just working it in. This way I don't have to weave it in later. Here at the corner, I did my single crochet that I'm going to chain. I'm going to single crochet back, making a nice corner. And let's stop here to show you what it looks like. So as you can see, I had done my little buttonhole up here. Buttonhole, and then crochet down along the V, crochet back up. Now we're going to finish up by single crocheting around the last short edge and the last long edge, joining with a slip stitch to the first single crochet we made for the edging. Let's work along here. Alright, this last part, I'm going to get ready to join to that first single crochet I made. I made a single crochet in that last stitch, a chain, and now I'm joining to that first single crochet. After you do that, you can go ahead and fasten off with a yarn tail to weave in. You're going to weave this tail in. And let's take a look. You're going to want to block your piece a little bit so that it doesn't curl up too much. Like you can see the piece curling up from my tight tension here. All right. But essentially you're going to go ahead and sew a button to this corner of the shrug. And you're going to attach the button loop over there like so. So it makes a cute little shrug for my doll here. All you need to do is attach that little button.